This 2022 44 Garlington XPS was the last 44 Garlington that will be made and is currently available for sale at $2,249,000 out of Palm Beach, Florida by McGregor Yachts. With a 13-foot 9-inch beam, you get a spacious cockpit accompanied by a full teak package. You also find a 1 large piece transom door accompanied by a cockpit ladder, a 6-rod release rocket launcher, curved teak mezzanine with plenty of seating, as well as a custom live well and custom freezer. Stepping up into the custom Marlin Tower, you'll find plenty of seating with 3 release marine helm chairs, as well as a complete second station paired with its own 10-inch Garmin monitor, all under a custom hardtop. Entering the bridge, you'll find your engine room access along with spacious side lounge seating on both port and starboard, as well as 2 release marine helm chairs. At the helm, you'll find 2 22-inch Garmin monitors, Simrad autopilot, as well as a custom teak helm pod. Down below the port side, the galley boasts modern appliances set against teak and ash cabinetry and custom marble countertops. Starboard side, find a full head with overhead lighting, custom matched countertops, and a shower with molded seating. Moving forward, you'll find spacious lounge seating both port and starboard, and a foldable table with cleverly hidden bar storage. And then finally, the master stateroom all the way forward is a roomy and open V-berth with teak trim and additional storage below. And last but not least, in the engine room, you'll find twin Cummins QSC 600 horsepower engines, each clocking in at 680 hours, along with ZF gears and a Northern White 7.5 kilowatt generator. For more information, contact Robert Biber at McGregor Yachts, and we will leave his contact information in the description.